Okay, as many of you guys know, I'm a huge fan of walker mowers, and I own currently a 2004 Walker MTGHS that has completely been redone, new engine, new deck. I just put the tail wheel kit on it. You guys can find that in my videos, many of you already know. The seal around the whole bin, the back's been done. It's been upgraded from the 10 to the 10.5 inch blower. All the way around, I've decked the mower out, suspension seat on it, and then 2017 I bought the Walker B19 with a 56 inch side discharge deck. I needed a side discharge mower, a newer one other than the ones I had, and Walker was definitely the brand I wanted to go with for many reasons. I put this video together because a lot of people have a lot of common misconceptions about, is Walker slow, do you only bag with the Walker, so on and so forth. And I made a video a year or two ago explaining the differences with walkers and the common misconceptions and how most of it isn't true. How a lot of people say they move so much slower so it takes longer, and you know, when it comes down to it, I've owned them all, from the standards to walk-behinds to zero turns and then to the walkers, and I really don't lose any time. I've proved that time and time again in videos. I've made numerous videos on that. I believe myself and Brian Shane from Top Notch have more videos pertaining to walker mowers on YouTube than anybody in the entire world. There are a handful of other guys that make other videos, but I'm pretty sure Brian and I rule the roost with that. I have well over 100 videos pertaining strictly to walker mowers, or that at least feature walker mowers, and Brian's right up there as well. So wealth of information between the two of us, and then a few others as far as walker mowers. But you know, I really didn't lose any time when I started timing a lot of different things. Is the walker faster? Is it slower? Just the way it turns and the places you can get it in and out of, and cutting down on the amount of trimming you have to do, things of that nature has definitely proved that my walkers aren't any slower. I do have other mowers for other purposes, but my go-tos are always my walkers, time and time again. So this is just a video I put together to show, you know, just a lot of the things I do with the mowers and different areas I put them on. And so just I took a whole ton of clips from a whole bunch of videos throughout my archive of videos and put this together. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is for you guys. Watch and see everything you want to see about a walker. Saw there, I did everything from side discharging with the B to bagging with the MT to having the back door open on the MT and throwing grass out the back there. That particular lawn had a gate that I could only get the MT through because it has a 48-inch deck, so I couldn't get the 56 Walker B through there, and I didn't want to bag that lawn, so I just opened the back and forth with the oscillator, shot it out. When it's dry, I've learned many times that it fans out pretty well. It doesn't really leave any clumps, no laying grass. When it's wet, it will leave some clumps coming out the back, in which case I can just hit with the backpack blower and it's gone. But it still makes it very feasible. But you'll see that, you know, another common misconception has always been walkers are made for flat, manicured lawns. That couldn't be further from the truth. They are specifically designed for lawns that are not perfectly well manicured, even lawns, because they are literally the only mower with a 100% true floating deck. So they literally will follow the contour of the ground. Now there are some others that have made similar mowers, but and I believe they have a real floating deck as well. But unlike a zero turn, when you go down through a dip, as soon as them front tires start to come up, so does that deck. Not with a walker, follows the contour right through. So they are designed for, you know, rough, uneven lawns. I mean, you don't want to take them through fields and beat them up like that, which I've made a video on that too, with the Walker B last year, and you can go back through and find that. But this is just a group of videos and different things I've done with the walkers, and even a little bit at the GIE this year on the Walker H, and I also showed their new high dump. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just a collection of mowing with walkers and things I like about the walkers. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support.